The day the poet Luton gave me the gelatinous gift of my beloved rhinoceros horn, I said to Gala, "This horn will save my life." For centuries, humanity has toiled to capture the form and reduce it to geometric elemental volumes. Leonardo tended towards making eggs. Ingress preferred spheres, and Cézanne cubes and cylinders. But only Dalí, by letting himself become exclusively obsessed by rhinoceroses, has just discovered the truth. All slightly curved surfaces of the human body possess the same common geometric spot, which is that found in this cone, with the rounded and curved outer part towards the sky or the earth, and angelically inspiring on the slide towards the absolute perfection of the logarithmic curve, the rhinoceros horn. Thus I now see all my paintings, and am amazed by the number of rhinoceros horns that my work contains. Even my famous bread was already a rhinoceros horn, delicately placed in a basket.